So excited, we're in Old Torrance, and this is like Mayberry, and I'm with Kirk Rossberg. And Kirk, everybody that has told me when I come to Torrance, you gotta check out the Torrance Bakery. So you are the owner, proprietor. What have you created here? It sounds like a magical spot. I'm Pat Pattison, and I love California.
It's been a wonderful ride. It's I don't know, maybe we paid them off with cookies or donuts or something along the way. Yeah.
Free donuts.
Yeah. Even though we've been so grateful to be around for 40 years, it's really, we have to stay relevant and we have to keep moving. So you're only as good as your last cookie, cake, or donut.
So, I mean, it looks like you've got the whole block here. Tell me the businesses that go down the block.
Well, we start out at the far end here. We have our cafe. And then from there we have our cake ordering area where people can kind of order their own stuff. Wedding cakes, birthday cakes, really what we call milestone events, which we take very seriously.
And is it true I might get to decorate a cake? Is that true?
Yeah.
Stay tuned.
You're going to nail it too.
Okay, good.
And then from there we have the rest of the bakery where we have anything from donuts to cakes to cookies and anything that you could possibly want. Awesome. But no bread.
No bread.
No bread.
Wow. And what do people come in for the most? Is it the cakes or?
Great question. Our biggest seller are cookies, and in particular, we make this fudge chew cookie, which we'll see a little bit later.
Fudge chew.
It's an egg white cookie and no flour. Now, we can't call it gluten-free because there's flour in the air, but it would be a gluten-free if we didn't have that.
So, Torrance Bakery, cake. We need a cake maker. This is Blanca. Blanca, come in.
You ready for this?
Oh my God, what are those? What is that?
This is sugar paper that we use for
Wait
our
a minute.
cakes.
Wait a minute. This is sugar?
Yes, you can
No.
actually eat this. So,
You can eat this?
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
So you can do it on the bottom.
Oh yeah, I'll have no problem
You
doing
got
that.
this? I'm pretty sure you can do it.
Oh yeah, this is a piece of cake. Which piece of cake? Oh, that is not easy.
Well, just
I
to
like
pop
the
up
yellow.
a little bit.
So I love yellow because my shoes are
look,
yellow.
matching with your shoes.
So how many cakes do you guys do a day?
300 cakes for a weekend.
Wow, 300 cakes.
Yeah.
Come on, wait a minute. 300 cakes
300
a weekend.
cakes a weekend.
Oh my
Yes,
God.
that's kind of our number.
Here's what we got, Liza. We're going to do what with Liza. It's so nice of you, Blanca.
Thank you.
Liza's wasn't here, so this is what she would do to my cake. So I got to do it to hers. You got here. How great. Check out what I've done. I did this. I decorated this.
You did that?
And that's sugar. Check this out. So they said, had you been here, you would have done that to me, so I should do it to you.
And now I see why you wanted me to send you that photo. At least it's a flattering photo. You made me even more beautiful.
Kirk, oh my God, I'm gonna gain 50 pounds. Cake, fudge chew, is that what this is called?
It's a fudge chew cookie, yes.
A fudge chew, that's incredible. And you have grown up, born and raised in Torrance, that's incredible.
All 66 years of my life.
And family business, and how many employees?
115.
115 people employed in a family business. We love that in the best of California. Check out the Torrance Bakery here in this beautiful hidden gem of Torrance.
We are in an amazing place. It's called Hakata Ikkousha.
I know nothing about ramen.
I love ramen. I haven't been to this one yet, so I'm extremely excited. One of my favorite things to get when I get ramen is the black tonkatsu.
Okay.
So it has black garlic is what makes it that black color.
Okay.
And then it has the pork broth as well.
Okay.
I always like to add a hard-boiled egg.
Great, good
Yeah.
to know.
So those are my favorites.
Okay, let's order something.
Okay, I'm ready. I lives up to the hype. It's amazing. It's salty, it's garlicky, it's a little bit sweet in places, and I always get a Hulk amount of green onions.
Oh, good. So let's take a quick break and check out my Best of California featured getaway. I'm so excited. We are in Torrance, California, and I'm with Debbie Hayes with Discover Torrance, and this place is a true hidden gem. You've got to come check this out. We're here at Centennial Plaza in El Prado Park, which was designed by
Frederick Law Olmsted Jr.
Incredible. And you have such a rich history here.
Oh, yeah.
Tell me a little bit about what there is to do here.
Okay, well, we are freeway close to everything. And then what is great about Torrance is we have 33 parks. We have a marsh in the middle of our city. And when you're out here, you are just one with nature. We have batting cages. We have over 400 restaurants. It's a foodie haven. We have the fabulous Torrance Bakery.
Oh my God, I'm gonna gain 50 pounds. Cake, fudge chew, that's incredible.
We have a mecca of microbreweries.
Mecca of microbreweries.
Oh yeah, say that 3 times fast. We're at 11 and counting. The first one being right down the street.
Okay.
The first one that was ever in Torrance, the Red Car. We have the second largest mall in the West. We have a ramen trail.
A ramen trail?
Oh yes, we are the Southern California ramen capital.
And you have a flight history museum.
Yes, we do. And we also have a History of Torrance museum called the Torrance Historical Society. We have our own airport, our own beach, and we also have theater, one that seats 50 and one that'll seat 500 of your best friends. Wow. There's lots to do.
Wow, so you gotta check out Torrance next time you're in Southern California. This is a true hidden gem. Check it out.